Yep, there's a lot of birds up there.
I wish I'd have been here when they all got there. I mean, I instantly started hearing all that, and I'm like, wow, they're really hungry and cold.
Yeah, there's a load of birds. Yeah, I see them in the trees on the side a lot, but they're not in this one as often. But yeah, it's full.
Birdie, birdie.
I mean, if you look really close, you can kind of see movement throughout the tree.
I don't see anything.
Yeah.
That is just so strange, and they're all up in that section. They're not below or anything. They're up there.
Yeah, they're all up in the top half of the tree.
So that's the tallest tree around here is what it is.
Yeah.
The next place to fly to.
Yeah.
It is cold.
They're taking a few minute break. They're traveling. They're probably, heading south.
The traveling bird.